All right. All right, hold on. Lock in. Ball out. Let's take this W. Let's get it. Go. Come on. All right. We're good. We're good. All right. So right out of auto, we're going to close right there. All right, we went on it. We went on it. Yeah. All right. Hey, swipe in front of the hub. Swipe in front of the hub. There you go. You got all that. Yep. All right. Yes. All right, you got 15 seconds. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, shoot. That's it. Hey, you got to push in this corner too. Set. All right, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Hey, good defense. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Hey, you have a bunch of players in your player station, by the way. 50 seconds. Yep. There you go, 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoot. Let's check it. Hey, I'll take over. There you go. Let's go. Are y'all good? I don't think we'll get a penalty. Where y'all at? Way over there. All right, y'all are fine. 10 seconds. Jack. No, it's this one. All right. Leave it. All right, in game. We're good. Shoot. 20 seconds. Yep. All right, 11:44 is out. Hey, in this corner. There you go. Hold on, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Good stuff. Wow. Awesome work. Let's get that. More. Let's get it. Good stuff. Awesome human players.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos.